Hey guys, back for another video, and today I'm back for another video for Mining Sim. I'm trying to get more tokens, but I can't get enough. It's too hard. And with all my tokens, I'm gonna save it for this. You can shop this right here, Mythic Egg. I got one from daily. Oh, this is also a mythical crate. But I don't need that. It's garbage. But still, mythical accessory crates are crazy. Galactic bucket. I'm not getting. Don't want to ask me because of these stuff. Because when I rebirth, I'll directly lose them. And this time I'm gonna focus on getting more blocks mines. I won't rebirth until for a little while. Right now I'm a godly miner, and I'm probably gonna rebirth when I become godly mine is 5 mil. When I become a Unreal miner, which is 20 mil. That's when I'll rebirth. I'm gonna grind 5 million blocks more, and if I'm doing well, I'm gonna go all the way to Insane Miner, which is 50 million. It's right after the 20 million one, which is Unreal Miner. I want to give out the shout out of the day, so who wants a shout out? Who wants a shout out? Oh, and guys, if I mess up these keys, it's only because some of them are broken. This computer is really old. Okay. Today's shout out goes to Mateo Tops. Hope you enjoyed the shout out. No problem. That's the emoji. See? For some reason, it only pops up for me in Mining Sim. But whenever you go on iPad and put in the emoji in the chat, it's either gonna come in tags or either just come up. Can you give me a YouTube? Okay. The blocks be gamer. No spaces. And the B, the T, the T, B. Oh my god, I told you that these keys are so bad. T, B, and G, R, caps. No. Oh my god, I hate these keys. Let's continue to the video. I'm gonna go to the Halloween mining area, and we're gonna mine there since that's the best place to mine. Alright, so I'm gonna go here, and this guy's an update just came out. I guess this is one of them, a traveling merchant. Mythical egg for 700 candy corn. Oh my god. Why did I waste all my candy corn? This sucks. I'm done. Forget this. There's also a new skeleton quest, and if you finish all 19 quests, you'll get a skull. You see a skull on his head? Like that. I'm not from because all other skeletons tell me I'm not spoopy enough. Okay. Maybe they'll think I'm spoopy like a spoopy thing. I don't know. 15 crosses and 10 bats. I'm not gonna even do his quest. I'm just gonna see what he would say. A candy corn rain. Make it rain candy corn for every. That's OP. Too bad I can't buy Robux. My dad won't let me. But that's OP. You will literally wreck with candy corn. I don't want to get the haunted egg because all the Halloween pets suck. They just all suck. What the heck? Dude. What? No. Okay. Potions. Wow, wow, wow. What? 1.5 million! I didn't even mine a single ore. I might have mined that broomstick. No, I don't think I did. Literally, that's crazy. Oh no. Nope, nope. Get up, get up. No! You evil. Let's get these potions. Which hats? These are really good. And since of my 42 rebirths, they are worth 4 mil. Damn, it's not my ore. I need this guy to help. Help me. No, this guy's evil. Your great monster sucks. Punches. Here, die. He's a godly miner. How many rebirths? 0 rebirths. This is what I'm saying, guys. Whenever you see someone and they have like way more blocks mined than you and they have like less rebirths, that just means that they don't want to actually work. They just be lazy and not rebirth and try again to get all the stuff you had. Whenever you see someone like that, just say that they're garbage and they know how to play the game. There, 23 million, not 25 mil. I'm gonna get the, I have to get the large vault, but that's like 30 something mil. So I'm gonna keep on grinding and get enough. I'm going to this one. I haven't found this one. This is a good hole. Yeah, it's definitely a good hole. Okay. I go up here. There's nothing here. Oh my god. There are cauldrons right there. There are literally cauldrons. Tombstones. Okay, I must. Tombstones are so good. The cauldrons though, they give me like over 50 mil. This is my rebirths. Like, it's crazy. Yo, look at this dude. Look at it, dude. Okay, 27 million from that, and I'm gonna go and buy the power gun. This is what I always do. Whenever I first start, like, just rebirth, I always go to the, Halloween area, and I get this. The power gun pew pew. Right now it's for me, it's milk, because of all my rebirths. And then I go here and get the large vault. Large vault, 38 million. It's about to turn 40 million if we get like to 44 rebirths. Look at this dude. He's a golden pumpkin. Golden pumpkin sucks. I'm just gonna take this from everyone else. I get 1,000 from this. That's actually OP. Well, if I never rebirths, but still. While this thing is completed, incinerate them. Die. Ah. Alright, now let me get. I'm going to my inventory and open some crates in the meantime. I have a bunch of Omega accessory crates, but look at this. 2,000 common hat crates. That's like, literally, that's crazy. Let's open this Omega accessory crate. I doubt I'm gonna actually be getting anything good, because this is an Omega. Omegas actually suck. Because, they give you a mythical chance with like a really low one. A legendary one would give you a legendary no matter what, but it would just be lower and mythic. And the legendary crates have been doing so well for me until someone scammed me. So that I basically lost 30 of them. That's why I only have 64 now. I used to have like 100. Whoa, wait, why did I open a trail? It's legendary! Wait, is this a trail? Nope, damn. If it's not a trail, then I really just don't care. Zip Zap sucks. Look how garbage. Look at this dude. Charger looks so cool. And not Storm, the neon bubbles. They look really cool. Pink Nebula also looks cool. Pink Nebula. Wait, I think I'll put my backpack, it's Storm. And this is Charger. I may take off Charger. It doesn't really look that good. I'm gonna let's see tool skins. How does Storm look? No, Storm, this looks garbage. Neon Bubbles. I had that once. Oops. Oh my god. This sounds actually pretty cool. Let's go in deep space. Oh my. Oh, it's a mess. Okay, this looks cool. I like this. Deep space. Yeah, what do you want? Well, I thought you went live. No. Oh. How? I'll share this with you guys. He doesn't want to say anything. I think he's lying. It's possible he could be lying. Blue spark for door. Oh my. Oh, it's those sparkle times. The sparkle. Their hats. They pretty much really suck. Let me see. Green sparkle time. Jump hour by 10. Pink sparkle time. Doesn't increase anything because it's garbage. Orange sparkle time. No, garbage. This UFES is garbage. Like, go die. I thought the UFES was gonna be so cool. It's just garbage. Yeah, I'm gonna. Okay, so that's what it gives you. I have 3. This Frosty, this sucks though. I don't know why I got it. Okay, Groove Jam, what do you want? Dude, why am I able to take it on my tool? What the heck? This is what I always do. I'm gonna send everyone trades, and whoever accepts first will find out. There. Wait, what? No. He has golden wings. Frosttail? Frosttail sucks. Twitch wings suck. I am literally not gonna get those. They're from Twitch codes, like, whenever someone's streaming, you can get those. Let's see. Phantom Dominus. Phantom Dom. He has 1,000 epic accuracy. Oh, Frosttail. I'll give him Frosttail. He obtained everything from Twitch. Whoa. Oh my god. Yo, go die. I'm done. No, I'm not treating you. Well, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up here, and I'll see you guys in another video. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like if you enjoyed, and subscribe to become part of the Bloxies. Join my Discord. And I'll probably be making live streams. I don't know. I'm probably not. I don't know. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.